What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Misfire. We are chilling today because I have keys to what's behind me right now. Let's go take a look at it. So, I don't know exactly what year this is, but this is my new Suburban. This is a 76 or 7 GMC. What is the actual classification of this thing? Forgive the music. It is a Sierra Classic 2500, which means it's a 3/4 ton GMC something or other. Whatever this grill is, I think it's a 76 or 7. I'm not really sure, and I don't really care. Cool part is I got keys. It was free. So I have a bunch of stuff in the back of the Blazer. I'm going to work on trying to get it running. I don't know if I'm going to show you that in this video. I just want to kind of do an intro video for this thing. But this truck is going to be a daily driver for probably most likely my girlfriend Abby when we go to Tennessee. Because we're going to sell that and her Camry, and I have another truck that you guys are going to see later. But this is going to be my daily once I sell that, and then once I get my other thing together, then that'll be my daily. But this is sick. The worst part about this truck is, first off, those hubcaps are hideous. I hate those things. But the hood has a little bit of rust, but this is a little bit of rust right here, but I'm not worried about that. There's another grill inside. That's a GMC grill, which is cool. This door's a little tight, which I brought WD-40 for that. It has the back seat right there. The front seat's not even really that tore up. The steering wheel's a steering wheel, whatever. It has nice wood grain gauge cluster assembly, which I think that's what the Sierra Classic thing is designation for. It's basically, wood trim inside. The carpets don't look bad. There's, rat poop and stuff. And I think there's a dead mouse right there. But besides that, I think the truck's pretty mint. The cool thing about this truck is, let me see if I can get the hood up one-handed. It was kind of bending the last time I tried to get this thing up. Yeah, you guys need me upside down for a second. There we go. The cool thing about this thing is it's not a 400. I wish it was a 400, but it is a Goodrich 350, which makes me happy because do it for Dale. So, yeah. I think the last time it ran, because this is actually my girlfriend's family's ranch. I think the last time this thing ran was 2005 is when it was registered, but I guess a few years after it was parked, I guess her uncle got it running and kind of drove it around a little bit and then parked it again. So it doesn't need much. Honestly, I came with a battery and gas and some really lightweight tools. So I think it needs water, which that's not a concern right now at the moment. But yeah, I am super stoked for this truck. It is gonna be very fun to get this thing together. So yeah, that's kind of low down on this truck. Not a very long video, but kind of the background of this truck. This, I guess, was a family friend's truck, and he worked on the ranch, and then he parked it here, and then he moved, and then he passed away. So then we asked his sons if we could basically have the truck, and they said, yeah, of course, that'd be awesome. So I think it's original paint, original everything. I love the yellow and then black two-tone trim. That's awesome. It's definitely gonna get changed. But yeah, there's some little stuff with it, like the hood's kind of bent a little bit, but I think it's definitely a sick truck. It's four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton, so I assume that's a 350 turbo 400. I have no idea what gears or any kind of the smog stuff, but I don't really care right now, because this is just going to be getting it running and getting it together and back to the house, and then wrench. So like change out shocks and go through brakes, check transmission, check engine, interior. Good. So that's what's going to be going on with this truck, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing a lot of this in the next few months. So I am stoked, and I'm going to get to wrenching on it. You guys will see that in another video because I wanted this to be a quick video. So I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and my blurry hand. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Sierra Classic.